So in the box, you get another box, and this is actually a really nice portable box that has everything that you need right here in it. In that box, you get the Cetus Pro brushless quadcopter, a BetaFPV controller, FPV goggles, 2 batteries, a battery charger and voltage tester, USB-C charging cable, a prop removal tool, and 3 extra 40mm blade props, as well as the user manual, which you're probably gonna need. Now, as someone that's very new to this, you might get a little bit overwhelmed and maybe think that this is gonna be too hard, but it's actually not. It's pretty easy. The batteries will actually last you 4 to 5 minutes each. Now, you might think that's not a lot of flying time. From my experience, it's actually not too bad. You get going for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can be like me and just get a bunch more of these little batteries. That way you have them ready to go. The quadcopter comes with a brushless power system, which gives the pilots a lot more FPV freestyle actions so that they can train. If it gets out of control or low battery, it will actually do an emergency safe landing. There is an auto hover feature on this thing, so when you do let go of the controller, it's not gonna fly off, it's just gonna actually hover for you. And then there's a thing called turtle mode, so if it does crash and it's upside down, you can actually turn on turtle mode and it'll flip over so you can get going. And as you can see, it's super safeguarded and it's very light, so you don't have to worry about crashing this thing and breaking it. Also, running it into the walls at your house, it's not gonna leave marks. And that's gonna happen. Not the marks, but running it into the wall. There are 3 modes for complete beginners all the way up to seasoned FPV pilots. And those 3 modes will give you also slow, medium, and fast speeds so that, you know, from day 1, when you're learning this thing, you can actually feel confident flying it. The controller is super comfortable to hold with a hobby grade gimbal and adopted rubber coat. These first-person view goggles are very simple to use, very simple controls. It's specifically designed for FPV starters. It comes with built-in high-quality antennas, so you can receive stable and clear images even for long-range flights. You can go a distance about 80 meters from your controller, which isn't a lot, but at the same time, that's not really the point. So it's not for joyriding around your neighborhood, just for getting good and comfortable so that when you're ready, you can get that more expensive FPV drone and you won't be worried about crashing it because you'll be more experienced.